Hi, it's Neil. Welcome back to my family room. Today I have this eye treatment by Scobuty. Scobuty, I guess, S-C-O-B-U-T-Y. And it's a dual effect, reduces dark circles and removes fine lines around my eyes. And it's got 60 pairs and it's the caviar eye treatment, the caviar. So you can see this is what the box looks like. It's got some pictures of it here. It has I guess a before and after of some lady on there, but I mean, she looked pretty good before. I don't even know. But so we're gonna try this out. So there's 60 pairs in there, so we're gonna figure this all out here. So here's the instruction manual. Is that what it says? Instruction manual. Okay, don't use on pimples and blah, blah, blah. Okay. Wow, they're really, as far as instructions go, it doesn't really say much of anything. So I think we can figure it out ourselves. Oh, well, there's that. So let's see. So we take, okay, what I'll do is here, I'm gonna get up close to the thing. Whew. Get up close here so you can see what my eyes look like before. So see how beautiful I am? Okay, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and then I'm gonna put these on. So it comes with a little spoon here to get it out, I guess. Because there's just a zillion of them in there. And I'm gonna guess it goes this way. Because I've done some of these gold ones before, but I can't even see what I'm doing now, but there, I think that's probably it. Oh wait, ha 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 ha. Okay, so there, I got that one on, I think. And then there's another one there. Okay, so feels okay. You can see in the container, it's got like all the goop and stuff in there. So there's just a whole bunch of these things. So I'm gonna close it back up. Put the little spoon back in there. Close it up here. My fingers are all sticky. Okay, what did I do wrong here? I can't see anything because of it's sliding down my face. I don't know about these. Okay, I gotta put on my glasses to see anything. How'd I do? I think it's okay. Well, so I'm just gonna fast forward and you guys, and then at the end of 15 minutes or so after I use this thing, let's see how it looks. Okay, I'm back. So I've had these on for about 15 minutes, and I did find on the side of the box it had the instructions, which basically say clean your face and keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes. So that's basically what it is. My face was clean to start, so let's see how it is here. So I'm gonna get up on close so you all can see me, and I take off my glasses here so you guys will see me before I do, because I can't see nothing. And then it says to take these off and throw them away. But then it says rub in any remaining crap into your face, so whatever. Ugh, my eyes. Okay, so, I mean, you saw me a second ago. For you guys, for me, it's been 15, 20 minutes. But what do you think? Did it work? Hope so. And I mean, it felt good. Actually, my eyes feel good. It's kind of like it was really cool on there because it was wet. So my eyes feel nice. They do feel nice. So as far as the way it feels, I'll give it a thumbs up. As far as how it looks, I'll let y'all judge. But be sure to like and subscribe. And next time I do a video, hopefully I'll shave and fix my hair and get a haircut and stuff. So I'll look a little better. But thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.